Hi everyone, my name is Zara.
My name is Jenna.
And my name is Jafar.
And today we're doing an experiment called Build Your Own
Fog Tornado.
Okay, so the materials needed for the experiment are a cardboard box painted black, a clear plastic cover for the front. We need some dry ice, a light, bowl of warm water, and a computer fan. And for safety, children should wear safety goggles. And when handling the dry ice, adults should wear gloves, but it should only be handled by adults. Okay, so let's get started with our experiment. With the box, we made a few cuts to create the vortex for when the fan is on. So we made a cut on this side, this side, this side, and the back. And we also created an opening at the top for the fan and an opening at the bottom. So you guys put your goggles on and let's get started. Okay, so we have our bowl of warm water that we're going to put the dry ice in. We put it in the center on top of a towel because the dry ice is very cold. We put the light and we put the dry ice in, which is going to create a lot of fog. So there's our fog. The box goes on top. And now let's create the tornado. So you can see all the fog from the ice is going down because it's dense. But once we turn the fan on,
Whoa!
you can see how the tornado is created inside, because we have these openings and that's where the air is going in and it's creating this turning vortex like a tornado. So this can be used in the curriculum as part of the understanding structures and mechanism for grades 2, 5, and 6. You guys see? It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for an extension, we thought maybe we could try using a different size container. So I'm going to handle the dry ice again. I need my gloves on. You guys need your goggles back on. We're going to put this to the side. We're going to get our other container. It has a different shape. It also has warm water. And we're going to get more dry ice.
Yep.
And see how that goes. We got some more dry ice. Just to the side. So put that. Ooh. Put this on top. Let's turn our fan back on. And see if the vortex became any different.
Whoa, it's much bigger.
Yeah.
Is it bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see that it's bigger. So that did make a difference.
It's more high.
Yeah, because the container is high.
Yeah, and
So it's becoming higher.
so this will get right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's like ice cream.
So that looks interesting. And another extension we can do is we can also block off the openings that we made, or maybe block them partially halfway, and see how different that would make the tornado. So thank you for watching our experiment, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.